Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is having the best of New Year's, you know what I mean? And you don't know, this is another news again that is out there about something that had happened in Jamaica. Alright? Now viewers and subscribers, there is reports out there that a 19-year-old male had been shot and killed, and it is said to be as a result of shootout between police officers and men that is said to be gunmen. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, this is said to have happened on the 2nd of January 2020. Alright, and this is said to have happened at a district that is located in the parish of St. James, that is of the country of Jamaica. Now relatives of the deceased are saying that police had killed the teen in cold blood. Alright, and I'm going to play a very short video clip that is out there on social media, and it is also a part of the news report that is put out there as well, you know what I mean? And viewers and subscribers, I'm going to also explain to you in my words the report that has been given out there by members of the police force, what had happened on that time when the person that is the 19-year-old male had been killed. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, the name of the 19-year-old that had been killed, or can I say the last name of the 19-year-old that had been killed, is said to be Powell. Alright, now according to reports from the police, is that after sometime after 1 a.m. or 1 a.m. they got information that wanted men were firing shots in a community that is located in the parish of St. James, that is of the country of Jamaica. So they proceeded with the information they got, and it led them to a particular house where upon arrival, when they arrived, shots had been fired at them, the police. Now viewers and subscribers, according to reports, is that the police officers returned fire, hitting one of the men, and the man that has been hit is later identified as the 19-year-old male, which is said to be Powell. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to play a short video clip of somebody that is said to be a relative of the deceased, you know what I mean, and let you hear what this person have to say. Take a listen and observe.
When I look you see them kick off the door and come in. Just as they kick off the door and come in, the dresser there before them with the glad, them bossy shot in there. So if they went bossy shot in there, him in there with the gun, he would have shoot up. He would have shoot up him and the police them. And if he jump out through the back door, he would have broke up. If you go there, no go look. That no back door, no did there, no window, no did there, he jump out. And them take him out.
You see, so viewers and subscribers, you don't know me Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what. That's what I'm saying to you. And like I said, it's reports out there, and all these things that I just told you is based on reports that is out there, and I'm just keeping you up to date, let you know what's up. Alright? And you can let me know what you think about something like this. Alright? Yeah. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you don't know the thing already. If you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.